In light of what is going on in the world today with the coronavirus, Microsoft have given us a platform to be able to communicate with each other very effectively, whether it's friends or family. So what I'm going to show you is how to actually install Microsoft Teams on your laptop, desktop. Mobile phone is probably the same way as well. So all you need to do is go to, whether you've got a Mac or a PC, an Android or an iPhone, you just need to go to the app stores and download Microsoft Teams and install it that way, and then just use your same username and password. So I'm going to show you for PC at the moment how to install it. So you just put in microsoft.com in the URL at the top in your browser. You come to this, you'll see here work remotely with Microsoft Teams. Click on learn more. So if you haven't worked with Microsoft before or got an email address with Hotmail, then you can sign up for free by clicking this link here. If you've already got an account to work with Microsoft products, then you can click in sign in. So if you click on sign up for free, what will happen is it will take you to this page, and it will just want you to put in a name and an email address and just follow the on-screen prompts all the way to the end. If you're signing in, then once you've signed in, when you click that link, it will open up to this page, and it's asking you two things: whether you want to download the app onto your desktop or laptop, or you want to use the web app instead. So you can do any one of these two. I'm going to choose download the Windows app, and you just click on that and it downloads the file. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner here, it says Teams, and it's got the executable file there which you need to run. If you wanted to use the web app, that means you don't download anything to your machine, you just use it up in the browser, then you can use the web app as well instead. So I'm just going to go to where this particular file is to launch it. So here it is on my desktop. I'm just going to double click on it, give it a second, and it should come up with the Microsoft Teams login. Yeah, so now it's asking me for my sign-in details. So operations, and just give it a second. It's loading at the moment. So once you're logged in, you'll see this, and got a few icons here, links to just help you get familiar with Teams, and also you can follow the on-screen prompts here as well. Click next, and that'll just tell you a little bit about that. And once you understand, it's highlighting where things are. Once you understand, you can just click on it and you can start using it. And it's very simple to use, and there's not a lot to it. Just follow these circles here. And if you never need any help, you've got the help icon in the bottom left hand corner. So you've got topics, training, and what's new. Training will give you like 1 to 2 minute videos on how to use the application, and what's new will give you the latest features on what is new with Teams. And you'll get notifications when people start sending messages backwards and forwards in the bottom right hand corner. I'm just going to dismiss that for now. And that's basically how to use Teams.